In a lush, vibrant jungle, two birds, a parakeet and a peacock, resided in harmony. The parakeet, with its bright, lively feathers, was known for its melodious song that echoed throughout the jungle, while the peacock, with its resplendent plumage, was renowned for its grandiose display. One day, a drought swept over the jungle, causing the water sources to dwindle. The parched land and scanty food supply led to a competition for resources. The peacock, with its grandiose display, began to hog all the available water, leaving the parakeet in distress. The parakeet, despite its smaller size, was cunning and resourceful. It observed the peacock's vanity and devised a plan. It began to sing a hauntingly beautiful melody that echoed through the jungle, capturing the attention of all creatures. The peacock, captivated by the song, stopped its display and approached the parakeet. The parakeet, with a knowing smile, revealed a hidden water source and offered it to the peacock, saying, "True beauty lies not in pomp and show, but in the kindness of one's heart." The peacock, moved by the parakeet's wisdom, acknowledged its mistake and promised to share the water equally. The jungle once again thrived, and the two birds, the parakeet and the peacock, coexisted in harmony, their friendship a testament to the power of humility and wisdom. The moral of the tale is that one should not let vanity cloud one's judgment and that true beauty lies not in pomp and show, but in the kindness of one's heart. The parakeet, with its humble demeanor and wisdom, served as a reminder that sometimes the smallest can teach the greatest.